Morning guys, hope you're doing really well. Today I'm going through the Birkenhead tunnel in Liverpool. I just want to show you this tunnel. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. Today I'm driving a DAF, it's class 2. So it's quite difficult for me when I drive class 2. I don't know why. I want you to enjoy this video, and I want you to see Liverpool. I like Liverpool. I don't know why. People here are very nice. I think anybody comes to the UK must visit Liverpool. It's a beautiful town. They have Albert Dock, and it is seaside. There is not seaside. It's a Merseyside lake or river, whatever you call it. It's not a lake, it's a river. Yeah, it's very nice town. I like Liverpool. I like being in the front. Today is Sunday, the 28th of January, 2024. No worries, lads. Every time you come here, you see new building. Every time. I'm going through Wallasey Tunnel. They call it Wallasey Tunnel. I always get confused. Let's see, Wallasey Tunnel. So I'm in the right place. Wallasey Tunnel. is what I like about this job. I mean, even you drive and you get paid, but you enjoy also going around town and cities, and you get to know places and you get to know people. Let's go through the tunnel, lads. There we go. Wallasey Tunnel. Move to the right. This is, you have to pay online. So don't forget to pay, otherwise you will get a fine. Let's go to the left. I think this company, they pay online. No, it's 40 miles per hour. It tells you the height, the axle, weight, how much. So Kingsway Tunnel, or they call it Wallasey Tunnel. So we are going under the River Mersey. You can see in the sat-nav, like the water, so that is the River Mersey. If you want to go the long way, I think through Warrington, it will take maybe an hour extra in your journey. So this is the easiest way. There we go. Oh, but this is a problem. I don't know if they have a tag or not. See, it's not paying online. Let's find out. Let's find out. cost 6 quid. So auto, where is the truck? Oh, no authorized vehicle. The size, this is, don't know. Just go this way. Let's see, go ahead. Do I have a tag?
I don't know. What's your registration?
I don't know. Let's see. I thought they pay online, you know. The reg is FJ
Yeah.
72
Yeah.
XFU.
Right, now it looks like this vehicle isn't on our account.
Is it no?
No.
So what do I have to do?
You'd have to pay, I'm afraid.
Do I?
Yeah.
It's my fault, man. So I have to pay it then. Never mind. So
Can you do card?
card, yeah.
Yeah.
And can you give me a receipt?
I can't print it for you. I can give you it's a slip of paper, it's got our website on. When you go on the website, your receipt's there.
So you can print it.
We don't print receipts for customers now.
About the other side now, the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
So
Both
yeah, you
rules.
need to send it to me then.
Well, no, we don't send it to you, it's on our website.
In your website?
Yeah.
So how I get the reference or something?
Because I'm going to give you a piece of paper, it's got the website on. When you go on there, it'll ask if you want a receipt, you just follow the instructions.
Yeah, please, can you give me anything? I don't know. Anything, so I can get it later on.
Website's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Go to the website and just follow the instructions there.
Okay, cheers, mate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Anyway, lads, it's my fault. I thought it's online, like, yeah. So, you have experienced that with me. So now you know. It cost me 6 quid. £6. Never mind. I hope you enjoyed this video.